Hi, this is Jeannie. Have you ever had some of the grapevine wreaths that are just so warped that you can't get them to lay flat against the wall? You know, usually they're ones that you just keep putting off and putting to the bottom of the stack until you get down to the point like I am today, and I need a grapevine, and all I have left are these two that are pretty warped. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that. After you wet them real good, put them on a flat surface and put something heavy on top. This is just some concrete blocks that I had left over. Let them dry. It may take a day or two, and if they're not flat enough for you, just wet them and do it again. That's it. Okay, there's my wreath after I finished it. That's after 24 hours, and it's flat enough now that it'll be fine to use. The other one was a little more warped, so I'm going to put it back out there for another 24 hours and wet it again, and that's it. So you can salvage those wreaths. You just have to work on them a little bit. And another thing that you can do, if you get one that's just so warped that you can't use it, just tear it apart. You can use those twigs and arrangements for all kinds of things. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and visit us at Trendy Tree, trendytree.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.